It's fun time with Aaliyah. Come join me on an adventure to learn about animals and earn badges.
Explored. And then go like this. Turn your hands around and cross them. And you made a bird. So give your best bird called caw. And then a big lion roar. Roar. Good job. Can you open this to page 6 for me? It's the page right after the map. Word. There you go. Do you have any favorite animals? What's your favorite?
My favorite
A giraffe. We have some giraffes over on the safari, so you can try to learn about them. Where could you go to learn more about giraffes? Do you ever go to the zoo? Yeah, do they have giraffes there? Yeah, so you could learn about their giraffes, right? You could take your book with you to the zoo, right? Yes, so I'm going to give you this sticker and this pencil, and you can put the sticker on your shirt so that we match. It's like your uniform. Perfect. So what you're going to do up until 5 p.m. is look for people with these orange satchels. You can get more stickers in your book. And you don't have to get all your stickers today because you could go to a different zoo and learn about their animals. And then you could come back here. Even if you don't come back to Disney World for like 10 years, we'll still be here. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, have fun.
So those are all really cool things that we are actually
They're missing their tails too.
we can make them into a house, right? So
They live right over there.
holiday season
They like to live up in the
I
trees.
challenge you guys to maybe
Now,
use
what do you get from
juice
trees?
carton
We get lots of
and
fruit.
part immediate a light bulb and turn it into a cool holiday decoration.
Great, we get that from
I know you
trees.
guys can
Do you like
definitely
to
use
eat
like egg
fruit?
cartons and light
We get
bulbs, and
those
you
from
can make
trees.
them into
What do the
snowmen
silence get
and
from trees?
penguins. I think that's
Definitely, and do they live up in the trees? The branches, they like to swing on them. I actually have something really cool right here. This is my very special book. That actually was not made from any trees. You can feel it if you like things. What do you think this could be made out of? You don't have to use any trees for it. It's really cool. It's really soft, right? My friend, this was actually made from elephant poop. Oh my goodness. Ew. This is called poo-poo paper. And we made it. What do elephants like to eat? They eat a whole bunch of something. They eat a lot of leaves, right? They eat nothing but leaves. A lot of times, that's what comes out after. It's just a whole bunch more leaves. We used that and we made a notebook into it. Isn't that kind of cool? It's a really creative way we can recycle. We don't have to always use things made out of poop. Just check it out. This book here was made 100% from recycled paper. So you're already helping trees today, my friend. When you help trees, you help all the animals that like to live inside of them too. Good job. You have earned 2 badges from me, my friend.
That's awesome.
Nice job. Good job.
What do you say?
You're welcome. Have a good day, guys.
What's your name? She's Aaliyah. Anna, Riley, what's the one in the saw at the bottom? What's your favorite animal? Do you like lions? And what? A cheetah? I can't hear a thing.
Say lion. You say lion.
A lion? I think he would just like animals. Which one do you like? A giraffe? Perfect. I have something that belongs to a giraffe. What would this be? What do you think? It belongs to a giraffe. And they would have 7 of them. So what would it be? Think of something that is very long on the giraffe. What is it? Yes, so this would be one giraffe and leg bone. So on page 14 right here, when you get home, you're gonna write giraffe, secret code word, a simple one. You're gonna put it in here, and then you draw a giraffe there, okay? Right, and then you get to hang your safari badge. You're welcome. You also want a badge? Alrighty, where are you gonna put your badge? You're gonna put it on your t-shirt, right there.
Code is right down here. It says a code Y. CODEY. Can you do that for me?
Write code Y.
C O D E and then Y. Say Y. Yay! Olive? Have you been already here? Israel? Okay, there are 5 more. If you wanna go there, you can get all of them. Okay?
There's 5 more on the trail.
Alright? And here is the trail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Okay? Alright. So the trail is closed at 4:30. You have 15 minutes.